Welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of TypeScript and JavaScript. When I first started looking into TypeScript and JavaScript, one of my first questions was, what exactly is the difference between these two languages? If you have wondered the same thing, then you're in the right place. Let's have a look at it together. One of the major distinctions between TypeScript and JavaScript is static typing. TypeScript allows us to define types for variables, parameters, and return values, providing better clarity and catching potential errors during development. That brings us to another key difference between TypeScript and JavaScript. TypeScript supports interfaces, which define the structure of an object. They help enforce consistent property names and types across our codebase, enhancing code organization and maintainability. In TypeScript, we can explicitly declare types, such as strings, numbers, booleans, or even custom types using interfaces. By using interfaces, we can ensure that objects conform to a particular shape, reducing the chances of runtime errors and making our code more robust. Now, one interesting aspect of TypeScript is that it compiles down to JavaScript. TypeScript code is transformed into JavaScript code that can be executed by any browser or JavaScript runtime. This means that we can write TypeScript with its advanced features and then compile it to JavaScript that works seamlessly in any environment. It's like having the best of both worlds. Now, let me show you a practical example of TypeScript code and how it compiles down to JavaScript. Here, we have a TypeScript function that calculates the sum of two numbers. Notice the type annotations for the parameters and the return value. When we compile this TypeScript code to JavaScript, the type annotations are stripped away, resulting in clean JavaScript code that can be understood and executed by any JavaScript runtime. And there you have it. We've explored some of the key differences between TypeScript and JavaScript, including static typing, interfaces, and how TypeScript compiles down to JavaScript. TypeScript provides additional features and safety nets that can greatly enhance your development experience. Thank you for joining me today on this TypeScript versus JavaScript journey. I hope you found it enlightening and gained a better understanding of these two languages. Remember, whether you choose TypeScript or JavaScript, keep coding and never stop learning. Until next time.